Hello and welcome to Wooden Heart Studio. My name is Tom and today I invite you to join our exciting world of play education. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to be a good parent, but Wooden Hearts does use science to help you get better at parenting. And now meet our Wooden Heart superheroes of play education.
Hi, I'm Carrie, and today our superhero helper is Makar. Wooden Hearts play education all starts with experimentation. Our products will help improve your child's organizational and problem-solving skills. You can be a witness to your child's first I did it moments. So, our superhero isn't going to be super until he practices some more. So, we are going to use the evolutionary states of motion, which we're all born with, and have 8 main levels to explore how to become a better superhero. The first level and stage is lying on your back. So let's lie down, superhero. Ready? Okay. So the first thing here is to stretch really tall. We're gonna stretch and get our body ready to move, okay? Make sure your spine and your hips are all aligned, your legs, your feet, your ankles. All right, you ready? So, superheroes face challenges, and those challenges need some practice so we can be really strong. The Pickler triangle is our first challenge. We're gonna take our arms, let's scoot back just a little bit, scoot yourself back, whoops, go down, one sec, there, perfect. We're gonna hang on with our grip, right? We're helping our grip be strong, really important. And we'll go like this and open up your thumbs, yep. We're helping our wrist strength, our arm strength, you did it, our backs and our core muscles. So we're gonna just pull up and be flat, good, just like that, perfect, good. Now you can also hold it for a few seconds to develop that strength. Ready? For 3 seconds. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Always have a parent or a caregiver sort of helping them out and making sure they're doing it correctly. All right, superhero, we're gonna face a bigger challenge. Are you ready? I'm gonna hold your legs, your ankles, and I'm gonna hold you up as you pull yourself up to develop all of those good muscles. Ready? On your mark, get set, go. Up, 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 nice and flat. Perfect, great, awesome. Down, 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 down. Nice and easy. Great job. But we have one more giant challenge for our superhero. Here comes the Montessori arch to make it even more challenging. We're gonna use the second ring, put your ankles in, right about here so you can hold on. Someone big and strong should be holding on to the arch. And that's it, we're gonna pull up. Good, 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 perfect. You did a great job, superhero. All of these exercises will help develop and make sure that you stay strong and smart. And are you ready to get out? Here we go. Hands down, we're gonna lift. That's the first exercise in our evolutionary state of motion of lying down. We're gonna take our feet out. The arch is gonna go away, and we're ready for the next one. Good job. Nice. All right, our superhero is ready for a new mission. Our new mission is a rescue mission. Sometimes our superheroes might need to crawl one by one on our all fours and get through somewhere to rescue an animal that might need help. You did it. But now let's practice a new way of helping strengthen our spine and go on our back and do a little bit of wiggling. Ready? You want to go one at a time. Shoulder up, foot, shoulder, foot, and kind of back back and forth, back and forth. You're really developing those muscles in the spine to help prevent any spine curvature. And the hero becomes a superhero. Yay, you rescued the animal. Way to go.
Hi, it's Tom at Wood and Heart Studio. It took us 3 years of research and development to go from this model to this little one. And there are 2 more sizes in between. So you will find the model that will fit your child perfectly. Our sets are made for children starting from 8 months to 7 years old. You can check out more by following the link below.
Our superhero might face some stormy seas, so we need to practice our balance with the Wood and Hearts balance board. This is meant more for a 1 to 3-year-old age range, but we're gonna use it and see how he does. Okay, in the middle, sit in the middle, hold on to these handles, and we're going to rock kind of gently, appropriately as for the age of the child. Good, and he's balancing, he's keeping his balance, he's keeping straight. All really good for brain development. And we're gonna level up a little bit and add someone to rescue. Hang on to this guy. So, another way to increase our balance is to hang on to this and still balance. This balance board has a couple different sizes, so you can use it with different ages as well. Are you ready? Stormy seas. Oh, hang on tight. Here we go. Oh, our superhero's balancing. Oh, hang on tight. Keep your core straight. Keep your back straight. Good, just like that. Our hero is a superhero once again, and he rescued our animal from the stormy seas. Way to go. Our superhero has a new task. We have a very sad and dry garden that we need to water. So let's use our Pickler triangle, and we are going to move into our 4th level of our evolutionary stage of motion, which is standing. Very simple, but very important to develop these muscles. All right, hands on both sides of the triangle and grip it, kind of hold on to it. And we're gonna put our feet just this wide apart, and we're just gonna pump up and down like a squat. Make sure your back is nice and straight. Are you ready? 7 times to fill up our pump. 1, good. 2, keep going. 3, good. 4, almost there. 5, keep going. 6, last one. 7, you did it. Okay, now pump the garden. Can you pump the water? Squirt the water. You got it. Now you've made our garden. You did it. Good work. Our superhero is always on the lookout for danger. So let's use our Pickler triangle and see if we can use the spotter exercise. All right, balls of your feet, and you're just going up and down. You're using all of that energy to develop your ankle muscles, your leg muscles. Keep looking for danger. Make sure you want to hold and balance on the other side, just in case. Yeah, good job. Oh, I think the coast might be clear. Yeah? Good work, superhero. Nice job.
I did it.
You did it. All right, our superhero needs to practice some climbing. Are you ready, superhero? All right, so first of all, we're going to use our climbing board to do this. Use the middle of your foot to step on each one of the stones. Let's practice. This is helping develop that inner plantar muscle so you can kind of have that cushion and that spring that really helps with jumping and running. Good work, good work. Now, second, pretend that there might be a hot volcano, and these are hot stones. If we use the tippy toe of our feet, then we can quickly get across those hot stones. Go, use just the tippy toes. Good work, good work. All the detailed information about what this exercise does for your child is included in the link. Good work, good work. Tippy toes, quick, hot hot. Way to go, way to go. Nice work. We are going to use the Wooden Hearts Pickler Triangle for this next exercise. Okay, with assistance from a parent or caregiver, we're just going to use our feet and climb. Are you ready, superhero? Let's practice. Practice, go. Up we go. Up we go. Balance, good. Now be really careful at the top and helping them turn around. Perfect. Turn their feet and ready, let go of that one. And now we're gonna use our grip. This is really important to be able to develop that grip, that strong grip in case that superhero needs to hang on to something. And we're going down each level, nice and easy. Good. You did it, superhero. Again. Nice. All right, we're on to our 7th level of our evolutionary state of motion, which is running. The most basic, simple thing. Let your child run. It develops all of their cardiovascular, all of their respiratory, their endurance, their cross coordination with their upper and lower bodies. Let your child run. No matter what space you have, you can use the Pickler Triangle to just let them run. You can run in place. You can run around. It is the most helpful thing you can do. Like the ancient Greeks said, if you want to be strong, run. If you want to be beautiful, run. If you want to be smart, run. We are on the 8th level and the most difficult for any superhero in our evolutionary states of motion, which is jumping. We are just going to kind of carefully take each step up one with some assistance from a parent and jump up and down. Being careful to use a good cushion to jump on and be careful with your feet. This is only one of many exercises we have on the Wooden Hearts Playducation Hub. And so you can see many, many more exercises for jumping on our hub. Way to go.
This is Tom, and this is Wooden Hearts Studio, and this is 140 pounds standing in our Playducation set, which is 10 pounds more than we guaranteed, so you can be sure that our equipment is completely safe. Check out our website to find out more. Wooden Hearts.
All right, our superhero has the ultimate challenge. The challenge to rescue 2 friends. Right now, he's resting in the lying position, in our #1 evolutionary position, right? He's getting his abs ready. He's gonna go into the crawl, right? That cross coordination between his upper and his lower limbs. Good, good, good. All right, oh, he's rescued 1 friend. Okay, now back on our backs. Remember this? Use your shoulders, use your legs, push through. Yep, again, building all those leg muscles, your abdominal muscles. All right, there we go. You got it. Come on over. We got to do some climbing. Let's see if we can. We're going to hold our friend in one hand with the assistance of a helper. Good. Up you go. Nice job. And down on those hot stones. Ready? Here we go. Use that foot and develop your arch. Make sure that you can jump. Good. 1 friend has been rescued. Okay, the next one, what are we gonna do? Run. We gotta run. Go, go, go. Find our friend, find our friend. Okay, the fox has been rescued. Okay, keep running, keep running. We're gonna go. Hurry. Okay, now we gotta climb some more. Up we go. Good. All of these exercises and so many more can be found on the Wooden Hearts Play Hub, right? Okay, so our last mission to get our friend home, superhero. Climb again, and we're gonna slide down. Oh, very careful. It's been such a challenge for our friends. Don't forget, you can find all of them on the Playducation Hub. Yes, you did it! Awesome.
Thank you so much for being with us today at Wooden Hearts Studio.
We really appreciate all of your time and attention to our Montessori, Waldorf, and Pickler approved products.
What you just saw is the tip of the iceberg, and there's so much more information that we want and we will share with you.
Finish the quiz linked below, and we have some surprises lined up especially for you.
Again, thank you for being with us. We'll be back soon.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Wood and Hearts.